All right, let's just dive straight in. We're going to talk about a piece of tech today that seriously feels like it's pulled from the future, but it's very, very real, and it's probably going to change how you think about your photos forever. Welcome to the ultimate guide on AI image expansion. You know that feeling, right? You snap the perfect photo. The lighting is amazing, the moment is perfect, but then you go to post it and bam, the frame is all wrong. So now you have to choose. Do you crop out the best parts or just not post it? It's got to be one of the biggest frustrations for pretty much anyone making content today. And here it is, the classic problem in action. On the left, that awesome horizontal shot you took. And on the right, that's what happens when you try to force it into something like an Instagram story. All that beautiful background, the whole context of the shot, it just gets completely chopped off. The whole vibe is just gone. Well, it used to be. So, what if you didn't have to crop? What if you could just, expand the picture? Well, that's where this kind of magic fix comes in. We are talking about AI Outpainting. It's a technology that literally lets you create more image beyond the original borders of your photo. So what exactly is outpainting? You might also hear it called uncropping, which is a great way to think about it. It uses generative AI to analyze your picture and then intelligently invent new realistic stuff to expand the borders. And I want to be clear, this isn't just stretching the pixels. No way. The AI is actually creating brand new parts of the scene that look like they were there the whole time. Okay, so you're probably wondering, how do I get my hands on this magic? And this is where it gets really, really good, because for a long time, this was a feature locked away in high-end, expensive software. But today, we're looking at a showdown, the industry giant versus some absolutely incredible free tools. Of course, we have to talk about the king of the castle, Adobe Photoshop. Its generative fill feature is unbelievably powerful. It gives you some of the best, highest quality results you can get. It's the pro's choice, no doubt about it. But yeah, it comes with that pricey subscription. So let's actually break this down. You've got Photoshop at the top, best quality, but you're paying for it. But now, check out the free options. You've got Leonardo.ai, which gives you amazing control and a generous amount of free credits every single day. And if you just want dead simple, no fuss uncropping, Clipdrop Uncrop is fantastic for beginners. It's totally free. The point is crystal clear. Professional level results are not just for the pros anymore. All right, enough talk. Let's make this real. I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can do this right now with one of the free tools. You don't need any experience, I promise. We're going to do your first uncrop together. Okay, so let's walk through this, say on a site like Clipdrop. First thing, step 1, you just upload your picture. Super simple. Next, step 2, you'll see this box around it. All you do is drag that box out to the new size you want, creating all this empty space around your photo. Now for step 3, you can type in a little hint for the AI, something like a sunny beach with clouds, or you can just leave it blank and let the AI cook. Finally, step 4, you hit generate. The AI will think for a second and then give you a few different options to choose from. That's literally it. It's crazy simple. And just like that, you did it. You've expanded an image, you fixed a photo that you thought was impossible to use. I'm telling you, this is more than just a tech trick. It's a real creative superpower that is now officially in your hands, for free. You can go back and save photos you thought were lost causes. And this really brings us to the most important point of this whole thing, right here. You do not need expensive software to use this pro feature. That's the bottom line. That massive wall between casual creators and professional grade tools, it's just gone. So I'll leave you with this question. I want you to actually think about your camera roll right now. Think about that one amazing photo that's just a little too tight, or that perfect landscape shot you couldn't ever turn into a vertical story. Now you can. So what impossible shot are you going to fix first?